Paul here from OEM Audio. We're in luck today. We've got one of our customers that's dropped in a brand new 2021 Nissan Serena, and he wants Apple CarPlay and Android Auto put into it. No head unit in this car. We're going to put one of our BTN620s in, and let's just see how good this thing goes. Hey, we're in the car now and we've had it fitted. It looks really cool. As you can see now, it fits edge to edge perfectly. It's got a little screen protector on it. All the buttons work, the steering wheel controls go. When it turns up, it boots up Nissan on the home logo. So it's a pretty cool device. The radio stations appear on screen and you can manually tune them in using the keypad. So if you want to listen to something like 3Z Boring on 100.1, type it in, it'll appear up on screen, and the radio data will appear just above the highlighted frequency. And you've got a graphic equalizer on board, so you can change all sorts of settings and do whatever you like there. It's pretty cool. There's all sorts of settings. Now you go back to the main screen, you can see we have Bluetooth. And in the Bluetooth you can pair a few phones, you can set up a few, and what we'll do now is we will set up my mobile phone, and as you can tell by looking at my phone, you can tell what industry I'm in. I've got hundreds listed there and I've just culled out a few. So we'll pair to Paul's yet another iPhone. Hit pair. Comes up on the display and the phone, you'll pair it, and you'll get a little display icon come up. You can allow it to sync and download your phone book. And then you are all connected. You can play music via wirelessly, you can play, and it'll give you track information. That's if you're not wanting to use the features of Apple CarPlay, Android Auto by plugging your phone in. So you can skip tracks, you can do all those cool sort of things there. Listen to Bruce Springsteen as you like, and all is cool. So you can download your addresses, go through all your addresses. You've got hundreds of contacts in there. You've got a keypad if you want to manually key in the keypad. Going back to the main screen, the main people buy these is because they want integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So I'll just plug my phone in using the USB that we've had mounted out of the way, and we're into Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay is a new default, and Android Auto, which is its equivalent in the Google system. It's the now default system for all new cars. So you have all those cool apps like Spotify, for example, podcasts. I've downloaded The Economist. It's got The Rock, which I've never listened to in my life. I don't know how that appears. It's just Spotify's algorithm playing with my head. So you've got all your playlists, all those normal cool Spotify things are there when you swipe across. You can use all your podcasts, all your favourite apps. You've got maps, you've got Apple Maps available, and you've got Google Maps, and we're just going into the show you the Apple Maps there. Or you can do all your normal things. You can hunt through all this product there. It's just a personal preference which one you want. You go back into Spotify, your podcast there, all your podcast lists, all the normal features you'd expect on your phone appear there in a nice, easy to read manner. Now, we normally have a reverse camera fitted to one of these vehicles, but in this case, this car has a reverse camera fitted to the mirror. So you've got the main screen of your Apple CarPlay there. Now we've fitted a couple of USB points in this vehicle. We have the Apple CarPlay Android Auto dongle coming from the bottom. We think it's amateurish, and with no thought involved putting a USB for the CarPlay on the front. We don't think it's a very good look. It doesn't look all that cool. Now, getting back into it, there's a few things you can do in the setup of the device. You can turn beep off and on. Sometimes some of our mature clients like the beep coming off and on. You can set the lines on, the time format, and we use an external microphone because we think it gives you a better call quality for the device. So that's a fairly good summing up entirely of our BTN620 product. They're available through us at oemaudio.co.nz. We're at 18 Coleridge Street down in Sydenham, where we've been for over 12 years. You can call us on 0508 636 283. Like I said, you can see us at 18 Coleridge Street. Thank you for watching.